major drought has hit.
No there's a major drought in Brunei
Drought แปลว่า
Drought?
พายุเกล็ดความแห้งแล้ง
You can only choose one, or you can use only choose one. Mafia. I'm choosing mafia.
This is iPad Pro
Yep.
working well on this.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's working well, but with the edge
No, I think it has to be full screen.
of full screen.
Yeah, but you can go ahead and then you can. Where are you? How many lives? This is first live or?
So I have to click.
Yeah, one of them. Anyone you like.
It's in military and police to protect that. Oh, I'm mafia too.
Can I do anything?
Raise your hand if you haven't had the cutting mat and okay. If you need pen, let me know. Or if you want to use your iPad, you can download on my course.